Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your phone billing problem on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So in order to fix this problem, all you have to do is allow your in-app purchases, for which you have to go to your settings. And in here, scroll all the way down until you see the option of screen time. Tap on it. Then after tapping on it, scroll down again until you see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on it. Then in here, you can see there's the option of in-app purchases. Tap on it. And in here, you can see there is the option of allow. Currently, it is selected don't allow, so simply just tap on allow in order to select it. Just like this, you have now selected allow and you are all set. You can tap on this back option right here and you are all done. Now you won't get the error of phone billing. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.